Hey everybody, so I got this 9 of Earth. It's supposed to be, I think it's a Goth mystery package or something like that. It's got pink all over it. I'll put the listing up for you so you can see it. This was $28.99 and I also paid the shipping for it. I'm not really sure how much the shipping was, but because it's not very big. But let's just say I'm in on this for maybe $32 to $35. Let's just say that. But I do really like how it came in this little kind of holographic. That's fun. So let us get into this with my scissors here. Okay, so I don't really want to cut anything. Ooh. I don't want to cut into anything. Let's do that. Okay. All right. Ooh, should I just pull them all out? No, I'm just gonna pull out one at a time. Okay, let's see. What's this? Oh, how freaking cute. Okay, we got some ectogasm socks. How cute is that? This is adorable. Okay, I promise you my daughter's gonna steal these. All right, and then we have, this is the cheat for what's in the box. So we'll look at that in a minute. And then we have, or I should say the bag. Then we got, oh, how cute, these little Post-it notes. Haunt me. Cute, cute, cute. That's adorable. And then we have this little haunted house sticker. That's really cute. Okay. And this says, thank you. Guess we have to open it now. Let's see what's in this guy. All right. Ooh. We have a pink Peruvian chakra heart. That's cute. It says, reward, acceptance, love, empathy, healing, strength. All right, cool. Not really sure what you are. Pink Peruvian chakra heart. Cool. Okay. So yeah, cool little stone. And then I got a little baggie. Oh, cute. Okay. Love, love, love. I have no jewelry on again, and I'm still in my bathrobe. Little Nazar evil eye. I'm getting really close so you can see. Bracelet, and it's purple. How cute is that? Adorable. Okay. Sorry, there's planes flying overhead. Okay, and then we have another baggie. Ooh, a little keychain. You see him? How cute. Or her, whatever. Adorable. That's cute. Okay. Still digging. Oop. We have, how cute is this little packaging here? This little jack-o'-lantern, and I love his colors. Or her. Cute. It's sparkly. So there's some glitter in there. It's got a little witch's hat. The scent, it's pretty light. I don't know what the scent is. I guess I'll find out, but that's really cute. That's adorable. Okay. So, is that it? That's everything. That is everything. So let me go through what is in this. Okay, so, oh my goodness. And my eyes literally, they're not working today. My eyes aren't working. Do you see how thick these glasses are? Do you see that? Do you see how thick? Hold on. Do you see how thick these glasses are? Because I'm like blind. So when I can't read things, now you know why. So if you guys want to read that, because God knows I can't. But it's the socks, the Death Tarot card keychain, the haunted house sticker, the candle tin, which I still don't know what it says fragrant. Oh, it says phthalate fragrance free. Oh, okay. And then the Pastel evil eye bracelet, which I love, and then the Post-it notes. Okay, so cute, really cute. Not thinking that, I don't know, because I make candles, and I know, especially now with wax, I know that candles are not cheap. So let's just say, I know that this thing says that this candle is $8. Maybe that's fair. Okay, so maybe that's the majority of the bag. I'm feeling like this is like a lot of cute dollar store stuff, maybe slightly more than a dollar store stuff. Rock's awesome. Love the rock. Love the bracelet. So I'm feeling like I'm maybe right at the value, not as thrilled with what I got with the first box, but we'll still give it a, it's okay. Still glad I got it. It's really cute. I can't wait to burn this. Can't wait to wear this. So for me, these are like my two favorites, and I promise you my kid's gonna steal these, so. Never hurts to have Post-it notes. It was okay. I do look forward to my next box though, so there's that. But anyway, so thank you for watching, and please like this video, subscribe to the channel. I have other channels that are listed as well, so please go ahead and subscribe to those as well. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.